That's not where I left this. That's not where I left this. Oh no, I didn't leave that there either. Oh, it scampers so fast. This one, like, how? Oh, I see. I see how it happens. Yep. It's fast. Where did it go? They're gone. Kittens. Kittens. Where are my fluffy little scamps? Oh, I see you over there. Hi. Naughty, naughty little scamps. Poor Coombs is all alone. I have to fix this. Come on, little scamps. Alright, so they didn't scare the fence this time, they pulled it away from the wall. So that's, we can work with that. You know, I might just take some paint off the wall, but oh, that's not good. I guess that's what I have to do. Where did all your scampy little friends go, Cougs? Oh, are you so sad that you're all by yourself? See, this is why you can't just pick one kitten home. Oh, look who it is. You just couldn't stay hidden, could you? I heard you purring. I heard you purring a mile away. Where are you going with your tail all up? So proud of yourself. Oh, my kittens. Oh, look at that adorable one, just hanging on the fence. I know I didn't leave this here. I know that when I left, there wasn't an adorable kitten on the steps. And I know that there wasn't one of these snoopy ones just scampering around. Oh, hi, Cougs. Let's see. How do we, oh, hello. Here's a little spotted one, that's pretty cute. And a gray one. Here's the spotted one. There's a gray one. Hi, Siberius. Oh, he's trying to get back in on his own. Oh, come here, you little scamp. I got you. Oh, such a little scamp. I bet you all have to go back. Kittens! Where are all of my kittens? Oh, kittens. Hi there. Little Bob. You look so adorable. Can't you can? Hello. Uma. I'm surprised you're the one coming out first. Yes, you look perfect. Oh, goodness. Noise upstairs. Hey, Pooh. Kitchen. Go. Come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. Look, I have your brother. Well, they certainly had lots of fun playing in the basement. They're not ready to come back to their little garden, though. Leo was very handsome, all proudly perched on top of the cat tree. Oh, also like growling. I wonder if I open can if we've learned that yet. Is anybody hungry? Hi, Bob. Oh, Jackie Jack, like that. Oh, you smell that? Where's Bob? Oh, there she is. They're very pleased with themselves because they're prancing around with their tails straight up in the air, just prancing around. So pleased. Feeling so scamperific. Go on. That's a very pleased Bob who needs a little snack. Right, so I need some tape. All right, this. How am I going to see your face We'll do that. We'll hold. Okay, just all right, let's see. We've got still on the loose. Hi, Sagittarius. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jag, Panty Pant. Get them this. You. Oh. Gotcha. There's your brother. Oh, Puma Perman. There's their scampy little friends. Hi, Tiny Jack. Come in. Yeah. Oh, this, that. Oh, there's such a big boy. Oh, yes, yes. Camp. You didn't cry. Are you building? put my Panther's on me now. He's the only one in the basement and he's crying.